Hi, welcome to NoviSign. My name is Jonathan and today I'm going to present to you Neil.
What's up, dude? Hi, welcome again. This is Nir and today I'm going to show you the Minix Neo X6. This is the new device from Minix company. Like you see, this is the box and we're going to unbox it. Ready, let's rock and roll. Here it is. Comes with a couple of booklets. This is the device. It's the same size like the Minix Neo X5 and like the Minix Neo X7, the big box. This is how it looks like. Basically, this is supposed to be some kind of a compromise between the Minix Neo X5 and the Minix Neo X7. Even though this is called Minix Neo X6, it comes after the Minix Neo X7 and after the Minix Neo X8. It's supposed to be cheaper than the Minix Neo X7 and it has only 1 GB like the Minix Neo X5 and 8 GB of storage like the Minix Neo X7, the mini version. So it's something in the middle, supposed to be cheap, supposed to be good, supposed to be strong. It comes with Android KitKat, that means Android 4.4. And let's see what it has. It comes with this antenna. In the front you have the power button, just like in the Minix Neo X7 and X8. You also have here 2 USB ports. You have a slot for mini SD card, and you have a socket here for earphones, HDMI port, this is a RJ45 LAN port, and of course the power. This is it. Let's see the accessories. It comes with a remote control, HDMI cable, USB cable, and the power. Well, this is the new thing from the Minix company. It's supposed to be pretty much good for digital signage, cheaper than the usual devices, and I suppose strong as they are. So this is it. Thank you for being with us. Come again. This is Nir, signing out.